Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum, good morning. Please subscribe us on YouTube, infozonelive, morning view, peaceful streets of Madinah Munawwara. Yes, I'm way to Haram Masjid Nabawi Sharif, so I thought to have a tour with me. So enjoy with me. Beautiful streets, very nice view. Sky view covered with sky and clouds. Nice view. Beautiful street, peaceful streets of Medina. Great look. I always enjoy the streets of Medina, especially in the morning. The best morning in the world if you have seen only in Medina. Very nice, very good. Subhanallah, MashaAllah. Sky covered with clouds. Now we have tour inside the mosque, Prophet Mosque. You see the main entrance. Now you see the dome area. Domes are opened. Now you see the open domes clearly shows sky from inside Haram. There are 27 domes, each dome weighing around 80 ton. These are the sliding domes. Very nice sky view from the Haram through the domes. People are praying inside. Today is 20 August 2018 and it is Hajj, day of Hajj, Yawm Arafah. Umbrellas, 12 umbrellas inside Haram for fresh air. Chandelier light. Very nice, excellent, elegant view. People are gathered for reciting the Quran Kareem. Children are learning Quran Kareem. Excellent, very splendid view, very nice sky view. Minara, there are 10 minarets inside Haram. The view from Rasool outside view, very nice, excellent. Now you see the sky covered with clouds outside Haram. Beautiful, very beautiful view, excellent.